fam, Chi-Chi here. Finally, she got her tellies. I got my Telfar bags from the bag security program. If you don't know what that is, that's basically one day free for all. Well, it's not free, but you get to choose all of the colors, all of the sizes, all of it's available. The catch is you have to wait. The bag security 2 program was March. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I didn't know a whole disclaimer that they put on their website during the program that this will not ship until September, and we are alas in September. Real quick, my box came hella damaged. This thing looks like it's open, so that's why I want to unbox it on screen with y'all, because I'm like, did somebody pull something out? What's going on? I didn't open it yet, so just in case I need to file a complaint with FedEx. If this bag, if I ain't got 3 bags in here, it's gonna be a problem. Come on. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Alright, I got all mini bags. Why did I get all mini bags? I don't know. But I think at the time I was trying to decide if I actually liked the minis, because right now, my medium black, that is my go-to bag. Love her to death. But the small is a small, so I was just trying to figure out, all right, if I don't like it, I know there's a market for it. I think I went into it like that. But the first color I picked was, bam, dark olive. Ooh, she does not disappoint at all. This is a really, really nice olive color. Oh, they upgraded. I see an upgrade. Normally this is paper. Right now it's a Velcro piece. I like that. Hopefully these are my actual bags, because remember the box is damaged. This is the dark olive. It's a beautiful green color. I like that. Ooh, she's really, really pretty. I feel like not a lot of people have the dark green, but I feel like the dark green is so fly. This is the shade of green that I really love because it's just that coral. I like it. It's cute. I did purchase the Greenscreen one. Haven't used it yet, but I'll show you once I unbox everything to give you the, the size ups. But right now, olive green, she's hitting on to numero dos. Of course, you got your dust bag, and I picked up navy. Ooh, she's kind of cute too. Okay, so maybe it's not an upgrade. This went back to the paper joint. This is a nice blue as well. Let me see, can I slip off? Y'all get the gist of it, but this is the blue one. Nice navy shade, nice and deep. Is a dark navy, which I do appreciate, because honestly you don't see this color too much. And what I do appreciate about a navy, sometimes you can get away with it looking black. So I do appreciate a navy bag, but sometimes you don't want any type of blue showing and you just really want a black bag. Like, you can kind of get away with it, but get up close, you'll know it's navy. So, I mean, this one doesn't make my heart sing like I thought it would. It's a blue bag. And I love blue. Y'all know I love me some blue. But I don't know, it's just this one is like, okay. I feel like I rushed through that navy one, but I honestly wanted to get to this color because I've been waiting forever for this one. And she finally got the orange one. Ooh, she's matchy-matchy. I did that on purpose. But see, this one has the Velcro. Okay, it's fine, it's cute. But here is the infamous orange. Come on, get into it. I freaking love the orange shade. It's so pretty. This protective thing is really on here. I want to make sure that I want these bags before I undo most of this stuff. Bam, here we go. Here is the orange. Get into her, sis. Get into her. She's cute. I'm matchy. I did it on purpose because I didn't know she was here, but when she was here, I was like, I'm gonna wear an orange dress. Marie Kondo. This sparks joy right now. My orange dress is a lot more vibrant. This one is a little dull if we want to compare two. But she understands the assignment still. Like, it's still a really, really nice pop of color. This is what I was looking forward to for summer. We had to wait this long. And if you see anybody complaining about how long their bag actually took and they ordered it from the security program, bop them in the face. Just bop them in the face. I do feel like they did push it back to September. I really don't care. It's a Telfar. Okay? I got the damn bag. I got it. I paid for it. Am I happy with it? That's to be determined. It's just something about this tiny size. I'm just like, I'm a little hesitant. I'll be honest. I'm still hesitant. I still haven't used my green. You know what? I'm gonna break out the two colors. So here are the two greens that I have. This is Greenscreen. This is Olive. Whew. I don't know which hits more, Mama. I really don't, because I love the vibrancy of this green. You don't see it too often. But I love the darkness of this green because you don't see it too often. I can't choose. I don't want to choose. But you see how loosely wrapped it is versus this one? Like, I don't know if they might have changed production or something, but who knows? This is very spring, summer, and this one is very fall, winter. But, I don't know. I'm kind of leaning a little bit more towards the dark green. Yeah, because she hits. Like, I still love Greenscreen, although I haven't used her. She's still cute. She's still cute. So now I'm like, I don't know. I gotta sleep on these too. But let me compare the blue ones too while I'm at it. All right, so these are the two blues. We have navy and we have, which one is this? Painter's tape. There we go. Obviously, these are two different sizes. So yeah, that's size difference if you wanted to compare real quick. Yeah, that's what we're working with. But yeah, painter's tape. I just love it. Love that. Ooh, look against that orange. Maybe because I'm very much so into a summer mood right now, but imagine carrying both of these. Look at that, NYX colors. Come on, NYX. That's fun. But going back to the two blues, definitely I like painter's tape a lot better. Kind of wish I would have got the mini, but see, here's the thing. I like the mini, kind of, but not really. Like, I need it to be a little bit bigger, whereas this one, I feel like this one I carry all my junk in, you know, and I just throw it around. It's a whatever bag. So I don't know. So here's all three that I picked up. If I had to rank all three, let's see, I would do navy third, olive second, orange first. Absolutely, in that order. These weren't my top choices. I originally was supposed to be getting the yellow one and the red one. Those were two I was after, plus the orange. That was going to be my order. At the same time, Brandon Blackwood decided he wanted to drop the ESR totes, and that was the last time it was going to be restocked. So yeah, I went ham on that. So I really had to take into account which colors I was going to get, because she had choices. I was like, whatever I didn't purchase with Brandon, I would get in Telfar. And I just had a whole black experience weekend. So that's why I ended up with these particular colors. I kind of do wish I would have stuck to my original colors. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, because I am missing. But I already have red and I have a yellow with Brandon. So it's like, I'm not really missing out on it. But then again, I don't even know if I like the bag yet. So I'm not even missing out yet. But so far, I am happy with my choices because it does add more color to my collection. But now it's just I really need to use the bags, because right now, like 3 of them are just sitting here collecting dust when I could put that towards other bags. So yeah, I definitely need to pop the cherry at least on a mini and see how I like it. So I'm not going to remove any more tags and things like that just in case your girl wants to sell it. And it's not my intention to sell, but if I need to sell, I'm going to sell it. But yeah, these are my newest little tellies. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if your shipment finally came. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.